Your FPS is too low and your ping is too high. Let's fix both right now. These are the settings on your PC that are quietly capping your frames and adding delay. And today we're changing every single one of them. And the last one, by the way, matters so much. So make sure you stay till the end. Let's get straight into this video. So for the first couple tweaks of this video, we have command prompts for you guys to boost your performance. Let's go onto the search bar right now and search command CMD right here. Now go on to run as administrator, literally just like so. Make sure it does say admin in the top left, just like so. Now we need lines of codes to put into this command prompt. What we need to actually do to get these lines of code, go down into the description below. I'll leave these three right here and I'll quickly explain what it is. By the way, just before we do it, if you can quickly leave a like on this video, quickly subscribe, it'll mean so much to me, genuinely. Now, what we need to do is this. For an FPS command prompt, disable memory compression. In the background of your PC, your CPU is just bundling data from your RAM and just compressing it. We don't want this at all. We want maximum performance from your PC. So what we need to do is this. Control C on the first line of code, just like so. Now Control V to paste it into command prompt, press enter. It will take a second and look what will happen for some of you. Just like me, it will say an error. If it does say error, don't worry, it's already disabled onto your PC. But for some of you, it will say successful. Now for a ping CMD, lower TCP initial retransmit timeout. We need to make sure your PC is actually sending your data to your Wi-Fi as quickly as possible. Obviously from this we will get lower ping, lower latency, because again we're going in max performance. So Control C on this line of code, and of course watch what happens right here. This one will just say okay for every single one of you. Now the last one, GPU to go into maximum performance mode. Again, do I even need to explain this? Why wouldn't you want your graphics card to be in the best performance it possibly can? And obviously Windows by default isn't doing this to save power. That's literally the whole point of this video. We need to make sure it's obviously in max performance. So Control C again, literally go back onto command prompt, Control V, press enter. The operation has completed successfully. Literally as simple as that. We can go into our next tweak. Next PC tweak, there are two services we need to disable on your PC. Literally just like so. Right click on the bottom, now go on to task manager, just like so. These services are running in the background, eating up your CPU usage. Obviously we don't want that. We don't want strain on your CPU. So click onto services, just like so. Now what we need to do is open services. Once we've opened services, we're going to be greeted with this page. Like I said, there's two things we need to disable. Firstly, scroll down until the S section. What we're looking for is sysmain, maintains and improves system performance over time. Instead of going 100% for your PC, it's going 85 to maintain and improve system performance over time. Genuinely hardly makes a difference for your PC, but disabling this will increase your frames massively. So right click onto it, just like so, go onto properties, startup type, literally disabled, just like so. Server status, make sure you stop it, apply and okay. Simple as that. Now scroll down. This one, I'm not gonna lie, it's even more important than the previous one. Windows error reporting service. You don't understand how many times in your PC something goes wrong and then your PC sends it back to Microsoft so Microsoft can obviously fix it. We just don't want this. Literally right click onto it, go onto properties, starter type disabled. Obviously we don't want this because we don't want your CPU to be worrying about doing this in the background whilst you're playing games or anything like that. So we could disable that one, go into our next. Now for our next tweak, the most important one inside of JINSHI tweaks, the #1 rated PC tweak app. You can see all of our tweaks right here, hundreds and hundreds, and also an AI assistant. Let's say I want more FPS. What it will do, scan your system specs and do what it needs to do. And by the way, we've just added the overclocker, which auto overclocks your PC components to its capabilities. And yes, it will test it within your PC to see if it can handle it. If your PC can't handle it, it will revert back to default. The technology within the app makes sure your PC is safe, and also boosts the game where it scans your system files, let's say within Grand Theft Auto right here. It will scan it, and then what it does, 72 tweaks applied based on what you don't have. So make sure you check it out down in the description below. Pros are also using it, including 27twy, the second best Fortnite player in the UK, all of his earnings right here. So just go on to get MAX FPS right here, check out the complete game bundle, and we do have a discount by the way, which will only last a couple days, so make sure you get it whilst it is. 20% off. The devs, by the way, are not happy. We are going to be removing this, so make sure you get it if you never want to tweak again. And yes, JINSHI tweaks is genuinely that good, but let's now go into another Windows tweak. Press Windows and R at the same time so run pops up. Now what we need to do is just type regedit, literally just like so, press onto OK. Where we need to get to is these four values: GPU priority, the normal ordinary priority, scheduling category, SFIO priority. These are the four most important things you need to change in your regedit. So again, make sure your GPU is in just max performance and your priority for games is as high as possible, as we can see right here. So to actually get here, super simple stuff by the way. HK local machine, bring that folder down. down. Software, bring that folder down. Then Microsoft, bring that folder down. Once you bring down Microsoft, by the way, you will have to scroll down quite a bit until we see Windows NT, bring that folder down. Current version, bring that folder down. And then multimedia, system profile, tasks, bring that one down. Now what we need to look for is games, literally right here. Once you go into games, you'll have some of these folders. If you don't have some of them, for example, priority, for example, some of you may not have that one, right click new, dword 32-bit value, and go onto priority. Now, if you don't have SFIO priority, what we can do is right click onto it, new string value for the SFIO priority. So I know most of you will not have that one. And now, once we've all got the folders, this is what we need to do. GPU priority, double click onto it, value data of 8, literally just like so, press onto enter. Normal priority, value data of 6, press enter. Scheduling category, value data high, press onto OK. SFIO priority, double click onto it, value data high, yet again, press onto OK. This is how we tweak our PC. And by the way, just quickly leave a like on this video, quickly subscribe, genuinely, it means so much to me. I bring out PC tweaking videos so you guys get more FPS. And remember, if you genuinely want more frames, you guys know where to look. Auto overclocker, AI assistant, boost for games. So make sure you go down in the description, check out JINSHItweaks.com. By the way, in the complete gaming bundle, you also get KBM tweaks, as you can see right here, mouse, keyboard, delay, USB, and also the network optimizer. So you get lower ping. You can see the dashboard right here, DNS, TCP, and also an AI assistant. Let's say lower ping, simple as that, just like the PC tweaker. And again, there's just such a big discount right now. So make sure you get it whilst it's on discount. And of course, if you're playing, make sure you play to win. Get the app with over 1,600 5-star reviews and over 10,000 downloads now. Trust me, you'll never have to tweak again.